It's well said that in order to shape the student's character, there is the great impact of society. Today we don't do what we can do, but we do what others are doing and what is understood superior in our society, without being aware of this reality that what we are capable of. Sometimes we do this cause of our foolishness and sometimes cause of our society's conservative thoughts. When we find any IITian, engineer and doctor in our society who is respected very much and given a special status in society, then we become crazy to be like them, and sometimes our parents compels us to be like them without seeing our interest criteria. They just impose their wish. For instance, when a guy having interest in singing goes to do IIT having done 2 or 3 years preparation, where almost 13 lakhs students apply every year for 10,000 seats only. Would he be able to do that? No, obviously not, because it's like a race where you already know that you cannot win. Then why to waste time behind that? Do something in which you have a great strength and also zero competition. Just ask simple questions before indulging in these kinds of reasons. Can you really do this? Are you capable of it? Is it in your interest criteria? If not, then quit it now, because there are plentiful people who are just extremely better than you are fighting for it. As Albert Einstein said, if you will judge a fish by its ability to climb a tree, it will live its whole life believing that it is stupid. So the message I want to convey to each and every individual, that if you are doing something what you don't like to do, then you are wasting your time. That's like waiting for a ship in an airport. The time you are wasting that you don't like to do, invest those time where you have interest in doing things. Sooner or later you will get success. If you know that you cannot do this, then do what you think you can do.